Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope this video is going to help somebody and it's going to save you some money. So I noticed as I was driving like 2 months ago that the rear right light module started giving a warning on the dashboard. I thought it was maybe a lamp that had bent out, and did replace some lamps, but the fault did not go away. I actually did scan the car and I cleared all faults, and each time I would go out the fault would still come back. Then I realized that it was actually a bad connection. Let me go to the back so you can see what I'm talking about. So I soon realized that I had a problem here. I had a problem there. You can see I tried to fix it there, but that was my problem. The brown cable, that big brown cable, actually was burning out and burning through this connector thing, which connects into the rear right module. You can see it's bent out there. So I was stuck. Truly I was stuck. Do I need to replace this whole light module and buy another connector thing altogether? What were my options? So as I prepared to actually go and buy the whole setup from somebody who was breaking up their car, which is okay, because you can always find somebody who is breaking up an old car and you can get these things for cheap, and if you have the money for it, why not? But then I decided to just go into the forums. Google helps guys. Google helps. Sometimes you just need to just go to Google before you spend money. So I went to Google and actually discovered that it's actually a common problem with E46s. The big brown cable, the big brown wire, is actually the grounding cable. So apparently the story is that the amount of voltage that passes through that brown cable is too high for the cable. That's why, because of resistance, it starts heating up, and when it heats up, then it ends up burning through this connector thing. Now, instead of what I was going to do to replace this connector thing and cut all these wires and replace the whole thing together, because I did not see any other option, and also buying a new lighting module because I did not see any other option. Actually, what's recommended, because like I said, it's a common problem with E46s apparently, and some cars had to be recalled and this thing fixed, but we're late in the game. So what needs to happen is actually to cut or remove that brown cable. Then you need to find a female connector, which you can then actually connect it directly to this point. You can connect it direct. This whole silver thing, this whole silver maze that you see, is actually grounding. So instead of buying a new lighting module and buying a new connector, which you can still do. It depends with your fans. You simply need to remove this brown cable and connect it direct to this point, uh, yes, this point, or you can find another point maybe there, but this is the grounding thing, because once you do that as well, if you happen to replace this whole thing and you replace the whole module again, there's no guarantees that this is not going to happen again. So the deal is to actually, if you cannot remove it, just cut it out and connect it direct to this module. Hello. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. That's what I'm going to do. I just thought, let me record a video before I do that. And yeah, I hope this helps you. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Until next time, bye.